Hey, this is Dave Ing. I'm in the junkyard. I have a 2010 Ford Fusion. So the model years we're looking at 2010 to 2012. We're doing the trunk latch today. So we see that sitting on the trunk lid. The trick here is everything's hidden underneath the trunk carpet. The carpet is held in by these clips. So you just want to get the right side down. It's already hanging down. There's 1, 2, 3 clips here. So that'll expose the trunk latch. We want to pull down on this metal piece right here, which is the back of the lock cylinder, so you can open the trunk with your key. You just pull that down, and then we have 3 11mm bolts. I don't know why they chose 11. Maybe it's a little more sturdy. So those come out. Guess that's technically a nut. and then there is the electrical connector, which gives power to the latch and tells. So it's 4 pins, and you just pull that out. There's a button that you press on, and that's it. Installation is reverse removal. I'll have the OEM part number in the item description and a link to eBay. Hope that helps. We'll see you next time.